Hi, this is Vince, the operations coordinator with Julian Company with Howard Hanna Real Estate Services, coming to you with an important update about our website. Unfortunately, this website that we developed way back in 2016, which has been amazingly consistent, has experienced a server outage. So over the past 48 hours, we've been dealing with this website issue, which has effectively limited your access and the functionality. The website is currently not sending out the e-alerts you may be used to, and we are not able to access the back end of the website. So this is a significant upset to our current operations, but we do have some solutions. The first thing is we'll continue to keep you updated on the status of the website, but you can also check back at searchcolumbushomesonline.com to see if it has come back live, and that could happen at any time, but we don't have a firm timeline in place just yet. But I assure you that our development team has been working nonstop around the clock to restore the functionality. We're confident that this is going to happen in a timely manner. We just don't know an exact time yet. We're also providing a list of our agents with their phone numbers and the email addresses at the bottom of this email. So please reach out to your Julian Company agent or our concierge team so that we can address any questions, concerns, or property inquiries that you may have. And any questions you may have, please relay it to us and we'll get back to you in a timely fashion. Also, if you're interested in looking at or searching real estate in the interim, please let us know and we can set up a customized search on our Columbus multiple listing service. While it lacks the searchability of our website, it will keep you posted immediately if a property that matches your criteria does come onto the market. If you do have any questions about a property or would like to schedule a showing or need anything, please direct that question back to us so we're able to keep this process streamlined for you. As always, we thank you for your patience, your support, and your understanding, knowing that we're working on this right now. We'll be back in touch with you as soon as we get you back up and running and on your way to your next property. Thank you.